Hey everyone, Bella here from Print Your Disc. On behalf of our entire team, thank you so much for your support today. I'll be guiding you through the process of creating your own custom CD. Let's begin by clicking the Create Your CD button. Once you click the button, you'll be directed to the following page. Just click on the user interface and it'll come right to you. We can start by uploading our front cover. I'm going to select a few of my favorite images from our wedding this past summer. This looks great. Now let's jump to the back cover. I'll choose my absolute favorite memory from our reception. Amazing! Now that we've finished uploading our covers, let's move on to the case insert and the CD itself. We'll start with the case insert. Amazing! Now let's move on to the disc. Perfect. Next, we go to the coolest part, choosing the songs we want on our CD. We can upload our own files such as wedding vows, voicemails, or unreleased music. Or we can simply provide the names of the songs and artists, and the Print Your Disc team will retrieve all the files for us. I have an amazing playlist in mind, but I don't have all of the audio files downloaded, so the latter option works much better for me. I'll start by clicking Allow us to find your audio files for you. Then I'll click Add Song to enter the song and artist name. Fantastic! Now that we've entered all our songs, let's review everything and explore some extras. Since my CD is going to be a gift from my husband, and I'm in quite a rush to get it, I'll add priority processing as recommended. I also want it to sound absolutely perfect for him, so I'll opt for audio mastering as well. Let's add our CD to the cart and proceed to check out. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you love your custom CD. We truly can't wait to see what you create.